Good day everyone. Today I'm going to give my return demonstration about making a passage plan. So from our passage plan is from Cabugao Bay down to the Tacloban pilot station. So upon making this passage plan, you're going to make your passage safe. So you need to clear from any underwater obstructions or hazards. So because in navigating a vessel, we need to navigate it in the safest and fastest way. So let's proceed now to our passage plan. So this is a plan 3A. So our equipment needed is the table, parallel ruler or protractor, triangles, this one, the technical compass, this one, chart A and B. So chart A and B. So let's proceed to the scenario. So our scenario is the vessel departed from Cabugay Bay, 13 degrees 32.5 minutes north, 124 degrees 16 minutes east at 300 hours on December 7, 2020, bound to Tacloban Pilot Station. Our latitude is 11 degrees 27.5 minutes north and longitude 124 degrees 52 minutes east. So, ship's particulars. So, our ship loaded draft 9 meters and the speed of our ship is 10 knots. So, our performance criteria. Lay course line on the charts from the departure to arrival position, clear from any underwater obstruction and hazards. So now let's proceed to our chart. So said there that we're going to plot our waypoints and we need to clear it from any obstruction or hazards. So our waypoint 1 is 13 degrees. So from Cabugay Bay. So Cabugao 13 degrees. So 13 degrees 32.5. So 10, 20, 30, 32. 32. So and our longitude is 124 16. So 10 15 16 here 16. So this is our waypoint 1. So since we have our waypoint 1 here and we're going to make our waypoint 2, since there is a shallow water here, so we need to stay away from this area, so we need to pass here. So this is our waypoint 2. So our waypoint 2 is 13 degrees 26 minutes. Our latitude and our longitude is for 124 degrees 22 minutes. And then our waypoint 3 in the next chart. So our waypoint 3 is 12 degrees. This one, 12 degrees. 39 minutes. 38 minutes. So, and our longitude for our waypoint 3 is 125 degrees 125 degrees 29 minutes. So next is our waypoint 4. So our waypoint 4 is, so for some corrections, our latitude for our waypoint 3 and waypoint 4 is 124, rather not 125, since our numbers here is from least to highest. So let's proceed to our waypoint 4. So our waypoint 4 is 12. So our waypoint 5 is 12 degrees 18 minutes. And our longitude is 124 degrees 16 minutes. So our waypoint 6 is 12 minutes 12 degrees north and 124 degrees 18 minutes. So our waypoint 7 is 11 degrees 30, so this is 28, so 11 degrees 28 minutes. And one to 4 degrees, since it is 50, so 47 minutes. So waypoint 8 is 11 degrees 27 minutes. And so for our waypoint 8, it is Tacloban Pilot Station, 11 degrees 27.5, so north, so this one. And 124 degrees 52 minutes, so 52 east minutes east. So next, we're going to compute for our plain sailing. Since our chart is separated, so we need to use a plain sailing calculation. So from for our waypoint 2 to waypoint 3 to get the course. So first is we need to get the difference of latitude. So our latitudes are 13 degrees 25 minutes north and 12 degrees 38 minutes north. So we need to subtract it. So 0 degrees 47 minutes north. So times it by 60, so 47 minutes. So this is our difference of latitude, 47 minutes. So next is we're going to get our difference of longitude. So our longitudes are 124 degrees 23 minutes east, and 124 degrees 10 minutes east. So we need to subtract it again. So the result is 0 degrees 13 minutes east. So times by 60, so result is 13 minutes east. So this is our difference of longitude. Next is we need to get our mean latitude. So 13 degrees 25 minutes north and 12 degrees 38 minutes north. So we need to add these two. So the result is 26 degrees 3 minutes north. So divided by 2, the result is 13 degrees 1.30 minutes. So this is our mean latitude. So since we are now done getting our D-lat, DLO, and mean latitude, to next our departure. So our formula for getting the departure is cos mean latitude equals departure divided by difference of longitude. Since we're trying to get the departure, so cross multiply. So our formula now is departure equals difference of longitude times cos mean latitude. So 13 minutes east, so this is our DLO, times by cos mean latitude, which is 13 degrees 1.30 minutes equals 13 minutes. So times so this one cos for cos 13 degrees 1.30 minutes equals 0.974. So since we're going to use 4 digits, so 0.9743, since it is greater than 5, so the 2 becomes 3, so 0.9743. So this one, 13 minutes times this one, is the result is 12.6659. So this is our departure. So next is we're going to get our true course. So the formula is tangent course equals departure divided by difference of latitude. So for our departure, which is 12.6659 minutes, divided by our difference of latitude, which is 47 minutes, so 12.6659 divided by 47, the result is 0.2694. So the result is 0.269. So we need to use 4 digits. So since this is greater than 5, so the 4 becomes 5. So 0.2695. So this one is 2695, 0.2695. So 0.2695. So shift tan 0.2695, since there is a tangent here, so you're going to shift tangent. So the result is 15.08. So 15.08. So in degrees, so this is 15 degrees 4 minutes. This one, 15 degrees 4 minutes. So in labeling this true course, we need to use the name of the departure, which is north, and the difference of latitude, which is east. So in labeling this one, we need to use the name of the latitude and the DLO, rather, not the departure. So our true course is north 15 degrees 4 minutes east. So since it is northeast, so as east, so no need to add 180 or subtract 180. So next is we're going to get the waypoint distance. No. The true course first. So the true course of waypoint 1 to waypoint 2 is so the true course of waypoint 1 to waypoint 2 is 136 degrees true. So this is 130, so 135, 136. So 136 degrees true. So for our waypoint 2 to 3, we're done getting the true course, which is this one. So this is degrees true. And then for the waypoint 3 to 4, we're going to use the compass rose. So for our waypoint 3 to 4, so just simply drag the triangles down to our compass rose. It's very hard. So this is 160. So 160, 165, 66, so 168 degrees true. So for our waypoint 4 to 5, one 160 degrees true. This one. 160 degrees true. For our waypoint 6 to 7, for our waypoint 5 to 6, just simply drag again this one. So the result is 147. So 147 degrees true. So for our 6 to 7, one 150 degrees. This one. And then for our 7 to 8, the last is for our 6 to 7, 7 to 8 rather. So just drag this one, drag. So this is 95 degrees true. So 95 degrees true. So next is we're going to get the since we're done getting the true course of our waypoints, so we need to get the distance. So in getting the distance, we're going to use the compass divider if our lines are small, and if our lines like this is very long, so we need to measure it using the triangles or any ruler or protractor. So first, from waypoint 1 to waypoint 2, the distance is so bring this one here. So the distance is 10. 9 rather. 9. So and our ship's speed is 10 knots. This is 10 knots. So our distance for our waypoint 2 to 3, since it is very long, so we need to use the triangles. So for our waypoint 2 to waypoint 3, so 1 to 18. So we need to bring this one here. 1 to 18. So 1. So from 1 to 18. So 48 nautical miles. So this one, 48 nautical miles. Our speed is 10 knots also. So for our 3 to 4 waypoints, so using the compass divider, so for our waypoint 3 to 4, so bring this one here. This is 10 nautical miles, and our ship speed also is 10 knots. For our fourth waypoint down to our fifth, so bring this one here. This is 11 nautical miles. So 11. So our ship speed also is 10 knots. So for our fifth waypoint down to sixth waypoint, bring this one here. So 10 22 nautical miles, and our ship speed also is 10 knots. So for our waypoint 6 to 7 is bring this one here. So for our waypoint 6 to 7, so bring this one here. So this is 10, 20, 30, so this is 35, so 36. So 36 nautical miles. So for our ship speed is 10 knots also. So for our 7th waypoint down to 8th waypoint, so 5 nautical miles, and also our ship speed is 10 knots. So we're done in the passage planning using this chart and the. So now let's proceed to our, so the all information here in our chart, we're going to put it in our Microsoft Excel. So let's proceed now to our Microsoft Excel. So for our Microsoft Excel passage planning. So for our Microsoft Excel passage planning, and for all information in the chart is in here. So from Cabugao Bay to, this is our departure, Cabugao Bay, and our arrival is Tacloban Pilot Station. So waypoints here, from waypoint 1 to waypoint 7, and our reference name of our waypoints is waypoint 1, which is Cabugao Bay, waypoint 2, which is Nagumbuaya Point, waypoint 3, Ungay Point, waypoint 4, Allen, waypoint 5, Malaga, waypoint 6, Santa Niño, and waypoint 7, Tacloban Pilot Station. So the time is 300 hours with the date of December 14, 2020, and so date is December 14, 2020, with the latitude of 13 degrees 32.5 minutes north and longitude 124 degrees 16 minutes east, with the course of 136 degrees true. Distance waypoint to waypoint is 9 nautical mile. So waypoint 2, which is Nagumbuaya Point, time is 329 hours with the same date, with the latitude of 13 degrees 30 minutes north and longitude 124 degrees 20.5 minutes east, with a course of 15 degrees 4 minutes true. With distance waypoint to waypoint is 48 nautical miles. And the next is waypoint 3, which is Ongay Point, time 535 hours or 100 hours with the same date, latitude 13 degrees 0.9 minutes north with longitude 124 degrees 18 minutes east, with the course of 168 degrees true. Distance waypoint to waypoint 10 nautical miles. And the fourth waypoint, which is Allen, with the time of 617 hours with the same date, with the latitude of 12 degrees 31 minutes north, with the longitude of 124 degrees 13.5 east, with the course of 160 degrees true. Distance waypoint to waypoint is 11 nautical miles. And the fifth waypoint is Malaga, with the time of 914 hours with the same date, latitude of 12 degrees 23.5 minutes north, and a longitude of 124 degrees 14 minutes east, with the course of 147 degrees true, with the distance to waypoint is 22 nautical mile. And then the sixth waypoint is Santa Niño, with the time of 1423 hours with the same date and the latitude of 12 degrees 13.5 minutes north, with the longitude of 124 degrees 19.5 minutes east, with the course of 150 degrees true, with the distance waypoint to waypoint, which is 36 nautical mile. And then the last waypoint is Tacloban Pilot Station with the time of 1710 hours with the same date and the latitude of 11 degrees 54.5 minutes north and the longitude of 124 degrees 30.2 minutes east with the course of 95 degrees through with the distance waypoint to waypoint, which is 5 nautical miles. And then we need to get the total distance. So we need to get the total distance of the sun. So we need to add this 9 plus 48 plus 10 plus 11 plus 12 plus 36 plus 5 equals to 141 nautical miles. And then in getting the distance to go, we need to subtract this 141 to 9 nautical miles. So in distance to go in here is 141. So minus 9 equals 132. So 132 minus 48 equals 84 nautical mile. So 84 nautical miles minus 10 nautical miles equals 74. This one, nautical miles. And then 74 nautical miles minus 11 equals 63 nautical miles. And this 63 nautical miles minus 22 nautical miles equals to 41 nautical miles. And then minus 36 nautical miles equals 5 nautical miles. And then 5 minus 5 equals to 0. This one. And then the tide information. So, time. So, this information is from here. This one. This chart. This Tacloban, Philippines tide times. So, this date is December 14. So, this one, December 14. So, you can see here, Monday, December 14. These are the information here, the high tide and the low tide. So, and then the time is 145 hours. So the height of the tide is 0.3 feet. So this is low tide, the note. And then time is 611 hours. So the height of the water is 0.39 feet. So the note is high tide. And then next is 10:47 hours or 10:47 hours. The height of the water is 0.1 feet and the note is low tide. And then the next is 1831 hours. The height of the water is 2.95 feet. So the note is high tide. So and then you have here the signature. Master or captain. Master and captain are the same. Erwin Nigapatan or Sir Erwin Nigapatan. And then second officer Perder Nyavame. So that's all for this video. That's the way, or that's the proper demonstration of making a passage plan, and I hope you enjoy. So thank you so much. Keep safe, everyone.